pillow? Where's Grover? Oh, can you give Grover a hug? That's nice. Can you give him a kiss? Ma, that was good. Put Grover in bed. Night-night, Grover. Put him night-nights. Where's your bear? Oh, can you give him a hug? Oh, and give him kisses. Good job. Say night-night, bear. Put the bear in bed. Where's your lamb? Is that the moon? What does a kitty say? What does a doggy say? What does a duck say? What does a pirate say? What does Santa say? What does a lamb say? What does a cow say? What does he say? What does a cow say? Santa. Ho ho ho. What does a lion say? That was good. What does the cow say? You don't want to do that one, huh? What does an owl say? Good job.